Hi, it's Prodigy Math Pirate here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the full Mira robes outfit set, and I'm going to be showing you some tips for the Dark Tower. Okay, to let me explain this to you, let me first go to the Dark Tower by clicking on the map, going to the Dark Tower. Yeah, that's obvious, right? And you'll see this place called Dark Tower entrance. So, what you have to do to get these is you have to reach the top of the Dark Tower. You have to beat the final boss, which is Mira herself, this person who guides you all along, which is like, yeah, just very sad. She tricks you all along. Yeah, you get to the top floor, it's like a terrorist poking place, and then you battle her. Once you're done with that, once you beat her, you will receive these. That's how you get, they're all 80 heart bonus. That's one of the 3 things in Prodigy that have 80 heart bonus. By the way, the Mira staff is damage bonus 40. Now, part 2 of this video, I'll be showing you some tips and tricks to get to the top of the Dark Tower so that you could get this thing. I know, right? So, it's such a mouthful. I know. So, it's also some important things that you should know. Okay, so I'm going to tell you some important things. Well, you probably already know this, but if you're not a member, you can't go past Dark Tower 4 or 5. If you want to get into Dark Tower, you just click on her. I'm not going to click on her because when I click on her,
hello.
Well, that's not nice. Yeah, I already beat the Dark Tower, so there's nothing I can do. Yeah, so if you're not a member, you can't go higher than 4 or 5. And by the way, the Tower 4 says you were on when you click on your green or blue stats. It says the last you've completed. Now, let me tell you the most important thing you should do. So, every 5 floors there is a boss battle. Not like Mira Shader, like it's like a few, like 2 or 3 pets. Like it gets higher afterwards. As you keep going higher in the Dark Tower, the bosses will get harder. Then every 5 floors there's a boss. And let me tell you something else. This is the most important thing that you should do. Do not leave before you do a boss. So you always should leave after every 5 floors, after you go to the next floor, after you defeat a boss. So let's say I'm on floor 15, and then I go to the next screen, and then I leave. Yeah, then it's fine, because then you will heal. That's how it works. But if you're on floor 14, and you leave, you're gonna have to start over every 5th floor. So you're gonna have to start over at floor 10. Even if you log out and log back in at the same exact place, you're gonna still appear back here where I'm just sitting here right now. And that is sad if you have to heal yourself so you don't die. By the way, if you die, you don't start over at floor 1. You just start over at every 5th floor when you die. That's how it works. Okay? So if you want to heal yourself between floors, so because you don't want to go back, because you only can go back after you defeat the boss in every 5 floors. You click on the backpack. You have to collect a lot of items which you can heal. For example, salad. You have all these. Here's 240 hearts. Pizza. Here's 480. Like you can get them from daily bonuses. Like just and yeah. That's how you get the apples. 160. Yeah, you just get them from daily login bonuses. And then you can use those between each battle, so that you can heal yourself. But don't heal yourself just because you just got a minus 10 hit. You will spin the wheel in. Sometimes you will receive help. I would recommend start using these after you get to 450, 35 to 50, because you could just come back easily after every 5 floors. By the way, I'm gonna tell you what's heads up. So there are a lot of people who suck at Prodigy because they're stuck at 480. The 480 boss is very hard. It used to be like you verse like a 4 level 100 people, but now they changed it. It's like 1 level 100 and then like 550 level people. That is very hard, regular people. So I would recommend getting the Ice Dragon Tooth Crown for that. And you have to heal everything. You have to have good pets. You can watch my other video for that. And you can just do that. That's how it works. Yeah, just heal yourself before 480. And then on 490 is kind of cool. Like a 485, you just verse like a pets. 490 is pretty cool. You verse like a few pets, and then you verse an exact duplicate of yourself, the exact level, just looking like this, however you look right now. That's kind of cool. 495, it's easy. And then 496, 97, 98 are the hardest. I'm saying. You verse like a 5 pets, even if it's like a boss, which is kind of hard. So you're gonna have to heal every time after that. By the way, 499 is literally the easiest. You just wish like a bunch of 50 level pets, which is like, and then like 498, you just verse like 4 level 100 pets. Like, I don't see how that makes sense. Just getting ready. And the 400, obviously, you verse the Great Mira Shade. She's very easy. She calls herself the Great Powerful Wizard, but she actually sucks. Her 0 does like less than minus 100 damage. It's really easy to beat her. Oh yeah, by the way, you have to use potions. The potion thingies to collect a lot of potions. Since you remember, go to the Lamplight Town. I'll show you where you could get those if you don't know. There's also conjure bottles. So they're like extra defensive moves that you could use. Like there's like a critical hit potion, so all the moves you do are critical hits, but that costs you 1 move. So yeah, I defeated her with critical hit potion with me, and then I just used one of my pets, which is level 100, which is really easy. By the way, this is a very hard tower. I only think you can beat it if you're level 80 or higher, because I beat it like when I was level 90, which is pretty hard, pretty cool to get. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you how to get those potion thingies. Go to Lamplight Town. Yeah, you could use those in battle, and you click on the potions on the left. It's only for members, by the way. So yeah, this is obvious because only members can climb the rest of the dark tower. Yeah, you go down to Pet Park. Left Fender's Closet, down Pet Park. Go to the right. You'll see this person named Scientist Cimarella. You can click on her. Get some potions. Water resist. Like these are like defensive. Like they're not all like. It's just resistance. Like heroic, always critical, 750 per potion. They just last for 1 battle, by the way. Okay, this video should have been a good tips video. I am saying this dark tower is really hard. Yeah, I thank you for watching this video. Yeah, this video should help you. Yeah, goodbye everybody. Yeah, you better subscribe to my channel. When I said that catchy slogan. Yeah, just subscribe to my channel. If you want other great tips, you could post them in the discussion on my channel page. Yeah, I could answer these tips for you. Yeah, goodbye.